Hello friends, in the second video of Django tutorial, we shall discuss now about URL patterns in Django. So we should explore how to define URLs in Django and how to use different expression to define user-friendly and complicated URLs in Django. Let's start. As you have seen that we have one URLs file. This is the main URL files in our folder Django tutorial. And in our previous video, we have created a app, test1 underscore app, where we have created a new file urls.py. This urls.py was accessed from the main file urls.py, and we have included all the URLs which we have already defined in test1 underscore app. So currently we have only one URL here. So let's define another URLs. So before defining one more URL, we should define a view function. So I am in views.py file. Let me create another view function here, articles, and let me just send a simple request here. This is the articles page. So we are sending a simple HTTP message here, and our view function has been created. And let's now go to the file urls.py and let's define our URL, starting path, and just type articles here and type views here and access the function which is articles. And in the name you can type the name of a URL. Name can be any name, just type a meaningful name, and I am giving the name articles. Save the file and let us open in the browser, and you can see the first page already displayed here. So let us display our second page, and you can see here is our second page. And let make the articles URL little bit more friendly, complicated. For example, in our page we have several articles and we want to access different articles. For example, I shall define a ID variable here, and now our URLs will accept a ID and it will show the article based on the ID. Just if I type here some number, so it is not working because the ID variable is not defined in the view function. So let me go to the views and define the ID here. So it will, our function now will accept a ID and it will display the article based on ID. But our view function is very simple, so we will just define a string here. This is the article page, and you are here in article ID. So you can see that this variable will get replaced with the ID value So I am using a very simple view function for our testing, but in real scenario, you will be accessing the articles from a database which will uh, have the articles saved according to different IDs. So let's watch in the browser, and you can see URL is now working now. Just type 2 here, and you can see that it is displaying like this, and you can see the change here. Okay, now let's do some other experiments. And for example, I type here name, just type your name, and it will display the name. You are here in article big data, so this is no not we want to happen, and this is something unexpected. We want the only ID here. So let's tell Django to accept only ID, only numbers. So just type int, and you can see the change now. Int an integer, it will accept ID in the form of integers only. And you can see it will returning an error. So you have to type a number here only, and in number it will be working. Let us change the scenario. Let us start accepting names. Let us type str here, and let us type name here. We will now accept articles based on name. Save the file, and now please go to the view functions and type name here, and you are in article with name as, and make a change here, type name here. So now the name will be displayed on the browser. So in this way you can accept your articles based on name. So if you can see, you can also pass number here, and also you can pass names here. So now the function will accept the ID as a string, so you can pass names as well as numbers here. So I think you have understand all this, and Django also include some advanced ways to formulate our URLs. Let me define one more function here. Let me define some more function here. Just type blocks request, this is the block page, and let us define some other URLs. So let us import an advanced module re_path. The module re_path use regular exception to define function. So we will use this module to define our functions now. And this is the view blocks. Type a name of the views. Let have the same name blocks. And to use the function re_path, prefix with r. R means regex. and type the name here, and it will start with the symbol caret and end with the symbol $/$, and now you can access the URL. Just type blocks here and you can see it is happening like this. It is not working like this. So you can see it is not working like this and it is working in this way, but we want to do something advanced. So let me do like this. Type a test here and access this way. It is not working, just type test here and you can see it is working now. So what it implies? It implies that between the symbols caret and dollar, what will you defined will be matched. So in this way you can create a very beautiful URLs. Just start with caret and end with dollar, so you can have very beautiful and complicated URLs and user friendly URLs. So regex also provide some other ways, because Django is now using the Python regex to define the URLs. So let us make some complication here. Let us define a regex expression and let us define a pattern. Let us close the expression now. You can see that we have defined a regex expression and it has pattern 09. Let me make it 1 to 9 because we will accept blocks having ID as 1 to 9 only, and just move to the blocks and type 1 here. You can see it is not working because our function is didn't have any expression, any variable. So just defined ID here and let me type the variable ID here and you can see the difference. So let us test again now and you can see it is working now. Just type 2 here, you can see it is working, and just type 0 here, it is not working. Type again 1 here, it is working. Type 9 here, it is working now. Type 10 here, it is not working because it is matching our pattern which say the ID should be between 1 to 9. So using re underscore path, you will be able to define very complicated URLs. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe if you like it. Thank you.